Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. If you are brand new here, hello. It is very exciting to meet you. I do want to let you guys know that we are having a giveaway going on currently. I will leave the link down below in the description for you guys. I'm giving away the holographic, what's it called? I'm giving away the Wet n Wild Gothographic collection. If you are interested, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and leave a comment on that video. But today what we're going to be doing is unboxing this month's Macy's beauty box. I'm pretty excited to get into it. This box isn't exactly always my favorite, but it's still kind of fun to go through. So I have my box right here next to me. I'm gonna go look for a sharp device to cut into this thing and then we'll get started. Alrighty, so Macy's beauty box is a what am I even saying? Macy's beauty box is a $15 a month subscription, and it is a beauty subscription, mainly skincare, hair care, makeup care items. The first thing we have inside of our little bag here is a pamphlet that literally shows everything that's gonna be inside the bag right on the front cover. But it also has a $5 off coupon here, which you can use on Macy's.com. I almost said Sephora.com, but it's Macy's.com for $5 off a beauty purchase. And this month we have what I think is an adorable bag. You guys know I love like rose gold stuff, so this is right up my alley. This would actually make like a pretty cute pencil case. Alrighty, so all the products come rolled up every single month in this very hot pink tissue paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and unravel the goodies inside. Ooh, okay. I'm already like impressed, and typically when I unroll the Macy's roll I'm not exactly that impressed, but already right off the bat I'm seeing some makeup items, which is not exactly typical of Macy's. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the perfume sample for this month, which is Dolce Gabbana, very fancy, Garden et de Parfum. This looks like a pretty cute little bottle. We got a little flower there, a little black bow, and I'm guessing by the name and the appearance of the bottle that it's going to be very floral, maybe a little bit rosy. So let's go ahead and get a little spritz and a sniff here. Oh, wow. Oh, you guys, I think I was wrong. To me, this definitely does have like a florally smell, but it's something different. There's something different in there. Oh, that smells super good. There's like a rich, like coconutty sweetness to it. Oh, okay. I was expecting another rose perfume. I feel like I always get rose scented things in these bags, but this smells pretty good. I'm also going to assume it is also a pretty penny if you would like to purchase the full size. Alrighty, next up we have something from Tarte, which I'm pretty excited about. This is the Tarte Park Ave Princess Bronzer, and I really like the little packaging on this. I think it's super cute. I've seen this in samples before, but I've never received it. So we have this like bronzy, like faux leather of some sort outside, and on the inside we have a pretty decently sized pan of bronzer. There is no little mirror in here. I kind of wish there were. This would be kind of cute to like throw into a purse or something. Here it is swatched on the back of the hand, and I think it's actually a really pretty color. It does have a bit of like an oranginess to it. It's pretty warm, but even just with my finger it seems to blend out pretty nicely. I'm sure most people have tried Park Ave Princess before. I think that's one of Tarte's like main things that they have, but I don't think I actually ever have tried this, so I'm pretty excited. Alrighty guys, next up we have something from Nude Sticks, and this is Nudies All Over Face Color Highlight Plus Glow for Lip, Eye, and Cheeks. This is a highlighter that you can use all over the place. This is in the oh, I'm so easily amused. This is in the shade Illuminati. But it's like Illuminati, get it? I'm somebody who laughs at like dad jokes, so for me, I think this is pretty clever. So here is the little highlighting stick. It's a decent size amount for just a little sample. It looks to be like bright white. We'll see how it swatches. Alrighty, I'm really not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see this on camera. I think it's kind of picking up. This is a very subtle highlight. It's right here on the back of my hand, and it's kind of has like a little iridescent like cast to it. So this is like a super duper subtle, like maybe just glowy looking highlight, but I bet you could use this as like a highlighting base and like pack some other highlight on top of it and it'd be super duper pretty. I think this would actually be nice for maybe like no makeup days. I have actually gone the past 2 days out in public, out in the world without wearing any makeup whatsoever, and that's really the first time I've ever done that. Alrighty guys, so there's still a few products left in here, and I honestly think they're all makeup products. This has never happened before in the history of Macy's Beauty Box. Proud of you, Macy's Beauty Box. Very proud of you. Alrighty, next up here we have Brow Power from It Cosmetics, and this is the #1 best-selling universal brow product. This is supposed to be a universal shade that looks like hair and is smudge/budge proof. And you guys, this is also a fairly decent size sample. Like, I don't think it's actually full size. It might be. Maybe they're tricking me. So on one end here we have a little spoolie. It is dual ended. And then on the other side here we have our brow pencil. Here it is swatched on the back of my hand, and what I notice is, like, if you do have lighter hair, you can definitely make it lighter, but the more you go over it, the more you build it up, the darker it does get, so that is nice. I will definitely give this a try. I would probably like to use it for this inner portion of my eyebrows. I'm really trying my best to make these look a little more natural on the inside portions instead of just make it look like a nice big like square on the inside of my eyebrow. I have a tendency to do that. I kind of enjoy like comic book villain eyebrows, so maybe I could make it look a little bit more natural, a little bit more hair-like with a pencil like this. Alrighty, next up here we have a little mascara sample, and this is Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. That's kind of a whole lot of B's right there in a row. Benefit Bang Girl. So this is what the outer packaging of the little sample looks like. Pretty cute, pretty standard. Then on the inside here we have the mascara wand, which is kind of like cone shaped almost. It also looks like it has a bit of like flex to it. So this is a pretty standard sample, but it is still pretty nice. I love that this is so makeup heavy. I'm not used to it, so it doesn't even really seem like a Macy's Beauty Box. I'm used to like small tiny samples of extremely ridiculously priced eye cream. And the final thing we have here is from Dermablend Professionals, and this is a little glowing thing. Oh, okay, so this is the Glow Creator. It says glow your own way, buildable, blendable, customizable radiance. Whoa, okay. So I got a very like golden shade. This looks like, if it would focus, this looks like gold in a bottle basically. I'm not really sure how well it's gonna work out with my skin tone. I do see that they have kind of a lighter pinker option that might have worked better for somebody as ghostly as I am, but this does look very pretty. If I could free the lid from its tiny bottle. Ooh, oh dear. I think I might have gotten just a tinge carried away with the little drop I spilled on the back of my hand, because I think I could just paint my entire body gold with this. But it says that you can use this alone just as like a liquid highlight, but you can also mix it into foundation. They recommend mixing this into their own Flawless Creator foundation drops, but I think it would definitely work with any foundation that you own. I do think this is a bit dark for me just to use on its own, but I think just a couple of drops of this in foundation could give like a nice radiance to foundation, so that's kind of fun. Alrighty guys, so that was everything in my Macy's bag for this month, and to be honest, this is like the first time I've been really excited about a Macy's bag. Typically I open it up with just a little tinge of disappointment, but this month with all these makeup products in here, a lot of them I'm really excited to try out. I even like absolutely love this perfume. I'm sure it's gonna be far too expensive for me to buy for myself, but it smells really good. I don't know, I'm just overall very happy with what I have received in this month's box. So let's go ahead and probably ruin my hopes and dreams and look at some of the full-size prices of these items. Oh, right here inside the little pamphlet it says treat yourself. Maybe that's a sign that I should buy that Dolce & Gabbana perfume, but we'll see. Alrighty, so the first item here that we have is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Ave Princess, which is $30. Then there is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang 36 hours. That's a very long time for mascara to last on your eyeballs, but 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara, $24 for this, well I was gonna say this little guy, but the full-size version of this little guy. Then we have the Dermablend Glow Creator, which is $33 full size. Next up is the Nude Sticks Nudies Glow All Over Face Color in Illuminati. It still gets me. And it is also $30. A lot of $30 items going on here. Then there is the It Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil, which is $24. And finally, the Dolce & Gabbana Eau de Parfum Spray in Garden is, okay, the roller ball of it is $29, 1 ounce is $76, 1.6 ounces is $94, and 2.5 ounces is $118. Okay, well with the exception of the perfume that I actually ended up really liking, I think most of these things are basic high-end makeup prices, so I'm not too like blown away by any of the full-size prices. Typically in this box, like I said, we'll get like a tiny little cream and 1 ounce of it is like $1 million. So it is really nice to get products that I can actually use, that aren't creams, that are makeup, that I could actually buy the full size of. But I would love to know what you guys thought of this box. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments as always. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world for me. And don't forget about the giveaway we have going on. And yeah, I just hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!